Leaders in the field of occupational health and safety monitoring equipment, Casella's instruments are ideal for use in sectors such as mining and quarrying, chemical processing, construction and demolition, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and for use in the public sector, as well as by environmental health and safety consultancies. The CEL712 Microdust Pro is the newest, most simple and easy-to-use real-time dust monitor from Casella yet. Ideal for performing risk assessments of dust and aerosol levels in the workplace, the Microdust Pro displays dust levels and trends over time, which is not possible with personal sampling pumps, making the task of performing risk assessments and of determining the effectiveness of subsequent control measures much easier. The Microdust Pro is a handheld unit powered by 3 AA batteries, which last up to 13 hours and can be easily changed on site. Additionally, the probe is removable, allowing it to be placed into less accessible areas, such as difficult-to-reach ducts. Also unique is the measuring range, spanning from just 1 microgram to 250 grams per meter cubed. The large and clear color display makes the user interface very simple to use, featuring an intuitive icon system that is also available in multiple languages. Getting started with the Microdust Pro couldn't be easier. Simply use the calibration insert provided and calibrate the instrument with one button press, ensuring accurate results. And with one easy press of the play key, the Microdust Pro will start measuring. Average, maximum, and time history is displayed and stored, selectable from 1 second to 1 hour intervals. Once a measurement is completed by pressing the stop key, data can be reviewed instantaneously and is automatically stored to the 500 measurement run memory. The Microdust Pro comes complete with Casella's Insight data management software for the analysis and reporting of data from all of Casella's dust and noise monitoring equipment. Data is downloaded via USB and is color-coded to show if exposure levels have been exceeded. The time history of the dust levels are automatically graphed and can be analyzed using the Exclusion Zone tool. This allows sections of the time history to be removed and averages recalculated, also allowing what-if scenarios to help define where control measures are required. Reports can be easily generated and combined with other data to allow sharing of the exposure data. The Microdust Pro can also be used in conjunction with the Dust Detective enclosure to provide short-term outdoor environmental monitoring with size selection of PM10 or PM2.5 dust fractions. And so, to summarize, the Microdust Pro is the ideal tool for monitoring dust quickly and easily within the workplace, allowing workplace dust levels to be quickly quantified, making risk assessments much easier. For more information, please visit www.casellameasurement.com or email info@casellameasurement.com.